What's going on, guys? It's Gerard. We're back and better than ever on the backyard mini ramp. It's pretty windy today, but we got the new helmet, we got the new shoes, so it's time to learn a new trick. Trick that's been on my mind for a while now is 50-50 to fakie. It's a little different than the other to fakie tricks I know, like feeble or pivot to fakie, because you don't really manual back in. It's more of a power slide, so I think it looks really cool, especially when you do it grinding it. What made me even think to try this trick is actually watching back my video of learning how to tail slide revert, because it's kind of the same motion. The second half of the tail slide revert is a lot like the power slide from 50-50. So we're going to start by doing some tail stall reverts, see if we can get axle stall to fakie, and then see if we can grind it. Really close. I really just got to focus on forcing that power slide around so I can ride back in. Woo! Feels good to get one. A couple things that helped me finally land it. It's really important that you're just stalled on your back wheels for the 50-50. You'll notice at first I was kind of trying to cheat it like I would a feeble fakie, but because you're power sliding in and not manualing, your trucks will never clear if you're not on the back wheel, so that's why I kept hanging up. Second, for most of my attempts, I had my heels hanging way off the back because I was thinking I needed to put a lot of heel pressure to slide down. But what that was actually doing was causing my front truck to get stuck over and over. So I slid both my feet up a little bit, toes hanging off the front, and I was finally able to consistently get my trucks off the coping. All right, let's see if we can get another one, then we're gonna try the 50-50. Whew. Not gonna lie, after getting that axle stall to fakie, I thought there was no chance I was gonna get the 50-50. Pretty exhausted. Wasn't the longest 50-50 in the world. Feels really good to get that trick. The funny thing, as I mentioned, for axle stall, I actually moved my foot forward so my toes were hanging off. I was trying that with 50-50s and I just kept hanging up. So what I ended up doing is moving my feet back, hanging my heels off, and that's when I finally got it. That was a really fun trick. It's gonna open up a lot of lines on the mini ramp. Looking forward to practicing it more and more next session, getting it down, but feels good to get that one. See you guys next time.